today's I will talk the next topic, that is morphology of flowering plants. Morphology of flowering plants. Morphology means external appearance of an individual, that is called as morphology. This external appearance of an plant body gets studied in only flowering plants here. Flowering plants means those plants they get bears flowers, that is called as flowering plants. In this flowering plant, external appearance of this plant body get studied. In this topic get included few articles like root, types of root, modification of root, stem, its modification, leaves, its modification, inflorescence, flower, as well as fruit. All of these articles get included in this topic, that is morphology of flowering plants. All of these plant parts like root, stem, leaves, flowers as well as fruits get discussed in this lecture. About those articles, in this lecture I will tell the inflorescence. Inflorescence means mode of arrangement of flowers on inflorescence axis or peduncle or main axis, that is called as inflorescence. Inflorescence means the mode of arrangement. Mode of arrangement of flower on inflorescence axis or main axis, or it is also called as peduncle, that is commonly known as inflorescence. Inflorescence means mode of arrangement of flowers on inflorescence axis or main axis or peduncle, that is commonly called as inflorescence. There are two types of inflorescence. First one is racemose. Racemose inflorescence, and second one is cymose inflorescence. Racemose and cymose, there are two types of inflorescence on the basis of the arrangement of flowers on inflorescence axis or peduncle or main axis. There are these two main types. First one is racemose. In this type, arrangement of flowers can take place in such a way that the older flower are present at the base portion and younger flower are present at apex portion, that is acropetal order. Flower arrangement can take place. This phenomenon are commonly called as racemose inflorescence. Racemose and cymose, there are two types. About these two types, first one is racemose. Racemose means the arrangement of flowers on inflorescence axis in acropetal manner or in acropetal order, flower get arranged. Acropetal means the older flower are situated at the base portion and younger flower are situated at the apex portion, that is called as acropetal succession of initiation of flower or arrangement of flower, that is called as racemose inflorescence. If you are shown in diagrammatic ways, these racemose inflorescence inflorescence. Diagrammatically, these racemose inflorescence means the growth of peduncle is unlimited. These peduncle, that is the peduncle, growth of peduncle is unlimited. Peduncle growth is unlimited. Then acropetal succession. Acropetal succession can take place due to arrangement of flowers. That is, older flowers are situated at the base portion and younger flowers are situated at the apex portion. That is called as acropetal succession. That is the older flower. These older flowers are present at base portion. Acropetal order means older flower are present base position and younger flower are present at tip portion or apex portion. That is called as acropetal order. That is the racemose inflorescence. Older flowers are present at the base portion and younger flowers are present at the apex portion. This order is called as acropetal succession. Growth of peduncle is unlimited, because if you are seen in a typical structure of inflorescence, it consists of two parts. First one is flower and second one is this peduncle. Peduncle and flower, these two main parts can compose by typical structure of inflorescence. About these two parts, this peduncle or main axis or inflorescence axis, the growth is unlimited during racemose type of inflorescence. Okay, then older flower are present at the base and younger flower, that is younger flower. Younger flower are present at the apex portion or tip portion, so it is called as acropetal succession. That is one of the type of inflorescence that is called as racemose inflorescence. Then second one is cymose inflorescence. Second type, that is called as cymose inflorescence. During this type, growth of inflorescence axis or peduncle is limited. Basipetal succession occurs, or the older flower are present at tip portion or tip position, younger flower are present at base position. Cymose means the younger flower are present at the base portion of inflorescence axis or peduncle or main axis, and older flower are present at the tip portion or top portion of inflorescence axis or peduncle, that is commonly called as cymose type of inflorescence. During this type, peduncle growth is unlimited. Growth of peduncle, growth of inflorescence axis or growth of main axis is limited in manner, because older flower, they are situated at the top portion, at the tip portion of this inflorescence axis. That's why the growth older flower. Due to presence of tip portion by older flower, so the growth of peduncle become limited in nature. Here younger flower are situated at the base portion, that is the younger flower. That is called as, this type are commonly called as cymose type of inflorescence. Basipetal succession or basipetal order of flower arrangement can take place during this type, that is older flower are situated at the tip portion and younger flower are situated at the base portion of inflorescence axis, that is commonly called as cymose type of inflorescence. Growth of peduncle is limited during this type, that is the inflorescence, typical structure of inflorescence, as well as the different types of inflorescence. Inflorescence is defined as a mode of arrangement of flowers on inflorescence axis or main axis or peduncle, that is called as inflorescence. Typical structure of inflorescence, it consists of peduncle or main axis or inflorescence axis and flowers. Flowers, they are of number of types like complete flower, incomplete flower, unisexual, bisexual, all of these flowers. Okay, that is the typical structure. And then types, there are two main types of inflorescence. First one is racemose, last one is cymose. Racemose inflorescence means the older flower are present at the base and younger flower are present at the apex portion of inflorescence axis, that is they are arranged at acropetal manner, that is called as racemose inflorescence. This inflorescence growth of peduncle is unlimited. Okay, and then last one is cymose inflorescence. Cymose inflorescence means older flower are present at the top portion and younger flower are present at the base portion, that is basipetal succession can taken, that is called as cymose inflorescence. Growth of peduncle is limited during this kind of inflorescence. Okay, then I will talk the next article during this topic, that is called as flower.